Beis is coming out with elevated versions of 2 of their accessories, and I'm so excited to share them with you. It's Leah, your professional organizer, giving you hacks, inspiration, and reviews to help you get and stay organized in your home and on your vacation. I'll leave links to all my social media handles down below because I give you a little something different on each of the platforms. If you like what I'm sharing here on YouTube, go ahead and click that subscribe button, and thank you to all my returning subscribers. Hello, how are you doing? Beis is coming out with elevated versions of 2 of their accessories, and I'm so excited to share them with you. They have a new cosmetics case and new packing cubes. Let's take a look. If you're looking for my review of the in-flight cosmetics case, it's on my page now. I go over the new case and I compare it to the on-the-go essentials case, which has been my favorite for years, and I think it's the inspiration behind the new in-flight cosmetics case. So now let's get into Beis's other new version of their travel accessories, the compression packing cube set. Most packs will benefit from using packing cubes. I know it doesn't make sense to everyone because it's technically an extra thing, but they contain your clothes and they add separation in a big space, aka your bag. There are a lot of packing cubes out there, and I'll link the reviews I've done for other packing cubes in the description box to help you decide which cubes are best for you. If you're the type of person who understands the draw of packing cubes, but you haven't found a set that actually helps you save space yet, maybe you need a set of compression cubes. For this new set of packing cubes, I'll walk you through the features of the cubes, how to use the cubes, and I'll compare other cubes I like as we talk about the features and use of these new cubes. This is a set of 4 packing cubes, that's it, no extra accessories. And remember, the Beis packing cube set from the core collection comes with 3 packing cubes, a small, medium, and large, 2 shoe bags, and a zip pouch. The new packing cubes come in black and beige, and there are essentially 2 sizes. 2 of them I would call extra small. They're 6 1/4 inches wide, 13.5 inches long, and they are 4 inches high. These are not compression cubes. You would just use them like regular packing cubes. You can fold smaller clothes to the smaller side, like active wear, tank tops, boxers, socks. You can also fold to the longer side, pajamas or regular clothes. You just won't be able to fit as many things in here as you would with a larger packing cube. You can put intimates in here, but I recommend that you find a bra that fits really nicely under all of the clothes that you pack and wear it with your travel outfit if you want to save space. You can put most kinds of shoes in here, or you can get really creative and put kids' toys or toiletries or even something medical that you need to pack for your trip in here. The other 2 are Shmedium size. They are in between the sizes of the small and medium packing cube in the Beis original packing cube set, and it's one of the sizes you get in the Amazon dupe set that I like. They're 13.5 inches long and 4 inches high, like the extra small cubes, but they compress to 1 inch and they're 10 inches wide. The material of these cubes makes it easy for storage. You can just put them in each other and they'll lay flat. They're mostly mesh in the front, but the area around the window, on the sides, in the back, it's a material that I've never seen in a packing cube before, and I feel like I've seen a lot of packing cubes in my days. They're really soft, they feel luxurious, so they're not as structured as the cubes that I usually go for, but it makes sense for a really small cube or for a compression cube. Let's talk about why you would use compression cubes. If you're getting the hang of file folding in your packing cubes and you're getting comfortable with maxing out your space, these cubes might be a good extension to the set that you already have, assuming you have a standard set like the original Beis packing cubes. The extra small size in the new set is good to have because it doesn't come in that set, and it'll be better for smaller things and for smaller spaces, maybe alongside a packing cube that you already have in your bag. If you ever want to pack bulkier items like sweaters, a traditional fold might be less frustrating in the compression cube set, and then you can compress that down versus a file fold in a standard set. If you don't like file folding and you're more of a roller versus a folder, the compression cube becomes more circular when it's compressed, and it fits your rolls nicer because they're more of the same shape. People who roll tend to stack layers of clothes on top of each other, and I still don't recommend it for these cubes. An extra cube is needed for an extra layer of clothes. If you don't even like to roll in your traditional folder, you know, the square lay down fold, the compression cubes will definitely work for you. Not only will you save space from the top, but also from the sides, because a traditional fold doesn't evenly distribute material like a file fold will, so you'll save space on things like the neckline of shirts. A few notes for when you're starting out with these compression cubes: be mindful of the width of your fold. With a standard packing cube, we want to maximize that fold in that space, but with a compression cube, you want to go a little bit more in. Also, with the quantity that you're putting in these cubes, I tend to teach you to max out that space as well, but in order for these cubes to be able to do the compressing without help from the quantity of clothes that you have in there, you don't want to overstuff it. When you're compressing the cube, there's 4 inches of material that needs to go somewhere, so you want to tuck it in as you zip. Otherwise, you could get the fabric stuck in your zipper. And when you unzip the cube, unzip the bottom zipper first. That's the compression. And when you open up the cube, you want your clothes to still be contained. So when you're opening it up, unzip the bottom and then unzip the top. And when you're closing it, zip the top to close it and then zip the bottom to compress it. You might have noticed I haven't talked about the window. That's because 9 times out of 10, I think it is so silly. I mean, the good stuff. Are you packing the mediocre stuff? Please don't pack the mediocre stuff, and definitely don't pack the bad stuff. It's time to get rid of the bad stuff. Don't even own the bad stuff, okay? The only time that I think that this makes sense is if you are packing multiple people in one suitcase, let's say they're your kids, and you want to put their names on it. Then it makes sense. Then you should definitely go for the Beis packing cubes because it has this window. The compression cube set is currently only available in the Beis Holiday pop-up shop in New York City that's open through December 3rd. And once they become available online, I'll share the links to everywhere you can buy them in the description box below. And those are the new compression cubes by Beis. If you like this video, I appreciate you taking a second to hit the like button and leave a comment, and I'll see you guys next time.